Hey internet marketers, in today's video I want to show you how you can easily add a jump link inside Thrive Architect on a custom menu. I'm Mike from MikeLucasOnline.com. If this is your first time to my channel, I'd really appreciate you subscribing, liking, commenting, and if you'd like to see more videos like this, then don't forget hit the notification bell, keep yourself updated for future videos. And also I've dropped a link in the description below for you to check out the step-by-step blueprint that I'm using to take my affiliate marketing to the next level. So with all that said, let's jump into my computer and I'll show you how easy it is to add a jump link to a custom menu inside of Thrive Architect. Okay guys, here we are inside my WordPress installation, and I have the Thrive Architect plugin installed, and that's what we're going to use to make a custom menu jump link. So I've got this demo page that I've made and I'm going to load it with Thrive Architect. And I'll show you how easy it is to install a jump link in a custom menu. Okay, so what we need to do is come over to the right hand side and select add an element. If we click on that, we need to scroll down to the building block section and we're going to select a custom menu. Click and drag that to the top of the page, and I'm going to select a standard drop down menu and click continue, and then we're going to create a custom menu, and we need to select a template. I'm going to select this one here and we're going to choose that template, and that is loaded on the page. So as with anything in Thrive, you can edit any element, and I'm just going to replace that nav1 with offer. Okay, and that's that saving, that alteration changed. So now we can click it on that edit and it opens up the menu on the right hand side. If we come down to the main options and we look down here, you can see link, and if we come across and hover over these icons, you can see there that's a static link, and then we have an anchor link, a jump link. So we're going to select that, and for the moment I'm not going to select smooth animation, I'm just going to select a target. So we click on that blue box, select target, and what I'm going to do, scroll right the way down to the bottom of the page where this lead generation box, and I'm just going to click on that element there and add jump link, and you get the notification jump link added. So what we need to do now is come down here on the left hand side where the menu is and click on save work. All changes saved. So then we need to come down to the bottom of the page where you can see a desktop view, iPad view, mobile view, but I'm going to select the preview because this takes us through then to the page we've just edited as it would be on the internet. And as you can see up here we have offer that I edited. If I click on that, it takes us straight down to this lead generation page. Okay, so what I'm going to do now, go back and we're going to set up a smooth jump link. So basically it is the same process, but we've already got our menu here. So I'm going to click on offer, come over to the left hand side again, and instead of setting a new target, we're going to say No, no, we're not going to modify it, are we? I'm going to do a smooth one this time. So we click on smooth, then I'm going to modify the target. And I'm still going to come down here, and I always do this, I always modify the target just to make sure the changes have been set. And again, left click on that element, come down here and add jump link. Jump link successfully added. The same again, over to the left hand side, save our work, and I always forget to do that. And then we'll come over here to the preview. Preview will load up as it would be on the web. Come over to our offer and click on the offer, and that smooths down, scrolls down nice and smoothly. And that's as simple as that. So briefly, what we did, we came over here, selected an element, we come to the building blocks, added a custom menu, selected what menu style we wanted. I edited one of these drop down tabs. Then I came over to the menu side on the left hand side of the page, added the link. This one was a smooth link. If I deselect that, you just get a straight jump link, and modified the page. And that's as simple as it is. So if you found this video helpful and you'd like to see more like it, then hit the notification bell to keep yourself updated with future videos I'll be uploading. I'd really appreciate you subscribing, liking, commenting. And I'm Mike from MikeLucasOnline.com, and don't forget, check out the link in the description below to the simple step-by-step blueprint that I'm using to take my affiliate marketing to the next level. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.